Welcome to George's Little World. Today we are going to learn blending of 4-letter words. So shall we start? Cake. 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 Doll. 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 Fish. 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 Frog. 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 Ant. 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 Milk. 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 Wind. 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 Lion. Lion. Lion.
I hope you all have learned how to blend alphabets to read a word today. So please keep practicing, as it will be very helpful for you to read your books. So for more educational videos and for stories, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button below for notifications. And also don't forget to like, share and comment. So bye-bye.